In this video, I am going to introduce you to the 3 books which I think every user experience designer should read or start their career with at least. These books are going to build your basics. One of them is on methods and principles and how to think about user experience or design in general. So design thinking, and 2 others are basics. One is about usability tests and how you can engage your users to get more information about your product or what is happening or what the users don't like or where the problem or pain points are. So the first book I'm going to show you is this Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman. You can see over here, this is the title. This is, I think, a revised edition, Design of Everyday Things. So this is going to build your basics of how the psychology of human mind works around design. What are the basic, you can say, the basic models for design. So this is a great book. So start with this one. Okay, so you can see over here, start with this one, and then I would recommend these 2 books. So these 2 books are by same author, which is Steve Krug. You can see over here, Steve Krug, Don't Make Me Think and Rocket Surgery Made Easy. So first you are going to start with this book, Don't Make Me Think, and it is a very easy read. You can also start with this book among all these 3 books, and then you can go with this one, Rocket Surgery Made Easy. So this one is mostly about usability and finding and fixing problems in your websites, your apps, your products, and you can do it at your own pace, and you can do it with your friends, you can do it with your family or colleagues or anyone or any users. So this is a great book. So these 3 books are going to get you started with user experience design. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you can always give me in the comments section below. And I have a full-fledged course based on these 3 books and one more. You can check that out. The description is the link is in the description. The link is in the description for discount link for that course. If you have any suggestions, comments, or anything you can do with this video, you can like it, you can share it with others, and tell your friends that these are the 3 books to start your design career. If you are a user interface designer, even I think these 3 books are essential. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you soon in the next video.